afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chris again. The Watch Lounge coming with yet another unboxing. And today's unboxing is, as mentioned, the Bulova. This is the new surfboard chronograph that they just came out with. This came out my way via Dane over at Sleeve Driver's channel. I'll leave a link to his channel below, as well as Random Rob. This is Random Rob's personal watch that he had bought to add to his collection. Now, how long he'll keep it, we don't know, because we know he's a flipper. But I'm definitely interested to check this Bulova out. When it first came out, I was definitely interested to check it out and see it. Now, it is currently filming this at 4:39 in the morning. Just getting off work, guys. So, just wearing the trusty G-Shock, of course. Just got off work, like I said. So, you guys may see this at a different time today. And later today, I'll also have another really special unboxing, as you guys have guessed by the title. I'm going to do that in a live stream. It's a viewer of mine was kind enough to lend me his brand new from the AD Bulgari Octa Finissimo, which is a really killer piece, guys. But anyways, guys, on to the unboxing. And of course, I will be using the Spyderco Dragonfly, because orange watch, gotta have the orange nice match, right? A little bit of trouble here, guys. Dane's got it packed pretty good, it looks like. Packing tape, nothing too crazy. Pretty well packed though, Dane. Good job. And here is the box. Again, this is a first impressions type deal. I will do the full review here soon. Probably about another week or so. I'll have to message Rob and see how long he wants me to keep this for before sending this on the next person. Maybe a couple days. But nothing too crazy on the package here, guys. Overall, first impressions. He's still got the hang tag, which is pretty cool. And the plastic's still on it. Overall, first impressions, I really dig the color combination. I feel like Bulova did a really good job. Of course, you can see that surfboard style chrono. I'll have to do more research on this. I definitely do like the orange strap. I feel like it goes good with the kind of beach vibe that this, of course, is. They call it the surfboard. The Bulova. I believe Breitling has something similar to this as well. Let me know down in the comments if you know that for sure, guys. But anyways, guys, this is a first impressions. I kind of dig it. Yeah, I'll have, like I said, I'll definitely have to do more research on this, guys. And again, look for a special live unboxing here of 4:30 Eastern today. It is 4:30 in the morning currently, just getting off work, like I said. So I will be getting some sleep here soon, and I will see you guys at 4:30. Thanks again, Rob, for loaning this killer piece out. Definitely like checking this one out, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.